This iPhone 15 was received from another repair shop. The device was stuck on the Apple logo with low current consumption on the power supply. According to the customer, the phone was previously working normally but suddenly stopped charging. After opening the device, we began a full diagnostic procedure. As known, the iPhone 15 and 16 series feature a more complex motherboard design, requiring advanced microsoldering skills and extreme precision during repair. First, we prepared both boards, a donor iCloud locked board for parts sourcing, the customer's original logic board. We started by carefully removing the shield covering the logic board on both boards. Based on the symptoms, we identified the Tigris IC, charging IC, as the likely cause of the failure. Before removal, we protected nearby components, especially the power management IC, to prevent thermal damage during the heating process. Next, we removed the faulty Tigris IC and performed precise pad cleaning on the logic board. We then moved to the donor board, where we extracted a fully functional Tigris IC. The IC was cleaned and properly reballed to ensure reliable solder connections. Once ready, the Tigris IC was carefully aligned and installed onto the customer's logic board using micro-soldering techniques. After installation, we cleaned the board thoroughly and reinstalled the shield to factory condition. Finally, the device was reassembled for testing. As you can see, the phone is now charging normally, and the current consumption is stable and within normal range. Repair completed successfully.